What is focus peaking? So it's not too often that we get hit with a term, a photo term that we've never heard before. Last week somebody left a comment on one of our videos and they mentioned focus peaking. And Bill said, "What's focus peaking?" And I said, "I have no idea. I literally have never heard of focus peaking before." So we looked it up. And turns out what focus peaking is when you're in manual focus. There's a guide, some cameras have it, that actually lights up the parts of the image that are in focus, lights them up different colors. So I said, I've never heard of it before. My camera probably doesn't have it. Turns out my camera does have it. The Canon EOS R has it. My Canon M50 has it. I never knew about it. I've never used it. Maybe it was because we rarely shoot manual focus. We shoot autofocus a lot, and even in manual focus, when I use it, especially with the Canon EOS R, it has a focus guide for manual focus, and I use that. It works great. I've never heard of focus peaking. I've never used it before, so I figured I'll try it out. All right, so you can see the areas that are lit up in yellow. That's what's in focus. So as I shift my focus manually in and out, the other areas that are now in focus are highlighted in yellow, which is really cool. You can see it nicely here. You can really see it very well when you look through the electronic viewfinder. Everything's kind of lit up and you can really see what's in focus back there. You can select from 3 different colors, yellow, red, or blue. Depending on your subject, you might want to change colors so that you can see the outlines. You can see things a little bit better. I changed it to blue here. You can see what that looks like. And depending on your subject, you might want to change it to a different color. But you can really tell what's in focus. It really is nice to use. I switched to red here, and it works better than the focus guide on my Canon R because that's just kind of an area, and this you can move the focus around and see how the focus changes in your composition based on the highlights. It really is a cool feature. So that's what I learned today. I don't know how often I'm going to use it. Like I said, I don't shoot manually that much. It probably doesn't work great for moving subjects. For portraits, if you have a subject that's going to sit still and you want to focus, you want to make sure you focus on the eyes, and you can use that. It actually works very well if you're actually pointing it at somebody. You can see the eyes are lit up, and that's going to be in focus. It works for that great. It works great for still life. Anytime that you're shooting manually, focus guide works nice, but the focus peaking I found really works great. So next time I'm out there shooting and I'm focusing manually, I'm going to be using focus peaking. I'm glad I learned it. I'm glad somebody mentioned it. I'm glad I took the time to look it up. And I don't know, it's fun to learn new things. So if you have any experience with focus peaking, any tips, any tricks that you use to make it work better, definitely put them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Anything that you found on your camera, a feature you didn't know had, share it with us. Tell us about it down below. We love talking cameras and gear and photo. We love to hear from you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.